Hey YouTube, today's video is about the floating hand drill technique, and the floating technique is not necessary to get a hand drill ember. You can do it without, but I personally like a combination of floating technique and normal hand drill technique because it helps me that my muscles don't fatigue that fast, and it keeps me from getting blisters. The reason for this is because with the normal hand drill technique I mainly use this muscle here under my arm, and it will fatigue very quickly. With the floating hand drill technique you are using the muscles in your lower arm and on the back of your upper arm. And this combination between floating technique and normal hand drill technique will make me able to drill longer time. And the second reason is that it keeps me from getting blisters, because if I do the floating hand drill technique I angle my hands like this. And have a closer look. This causes that I put all of the pressure on this area of the hand, and normally I'm getting blisters here and here, and by putting the pressure on this area it keeps me from getting blisters here and here. About the drilling technique, about the hand movement, I did a drawing for you. This drawing actually shows the movement of your fingertips. I did a second drawing. This here is the spindle, and this here is the forward motion, and this is the backwards motion. So your hand is actually moving like this. Okay, just have a look for this video clip. What you didn't see in the video clip was that I angle my hands. It's actually not that much. Actually you can't really see it. Yeah, it's just about getting the pressure on this area of your hand. I will show that to you. I go downwards with the normal hand drill technique and go back upwards with the floating technique. I don't know, can you see that I angle my hands? And that prevents me from getting blisters. Yeah, and that's about it. So stay tuned for a couple of more video clips, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.